Hey guys, Simon here with Clear Financial Vision, and I just want to take a quick minute and welcome you to our YouTube channel here where we talk about financial tips and tricks and ways that you can improve your finances. So that's what this channel exists for primarily, is to give you ways that you can improve your finances. And we're doing so for free, so please take a minute and follow our channel and like our page and share our content. We greatly appreciate that. So this first series of videos that we're putting out is talking about what is commonly known as the 5 C's of credit. The 5 C's of credit is what lenders look at when you apply for a loan, and those 5 C's are credit history, capacity, collateral, capital, and conditions. So those 5 C's, we will do a more in-depth dive into each one of those in this series. And so we'll see you guys in the next video where we will be discussing credit history. As always, like I said, follow our page for more financial tips and tricks and to keep from missing any content that we post here.